Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I had a teeny tiny haul again and one was this Tim Holtz Blossom, I believe it's called. Yes, Blossom 666283, and this is from the new like everyday line, maybe that's what they're calling it, but yeah, just a recent one there. So I have those pieces were put together, and then I had this is a company I'm not quite as familiar with. I think it's newer, Pixie Dust Designs, and this is the tea box, and it comes with lots of great pieces to make this tea box here. I made just a basic one, just out of some purple just to try out the dye. So it's got this nice, it's got layering pieces for all of this, so that you can, you know, put your pattern papers on there like so, so forth. So it's got that scalloped little closure there. So you open it up, and then actually it has a flap, so you can put some more layering pieces and some notes and things, and then of course that in there. You could also, you know, if you have like a journal and you don't fill it completely with signatures, you could have this as like a pocket type thing. That makes sense. Like an embellishment. You could open that up, and then open that, and then open that. If I could, I can't do it with my hands. And then I have journaling bits, but whatever. But it makes a nice little treat box for party favors and gifts and things like that. So, and the purple's fun. Keep your dyes straight. So I just stuck a magnetic sheet on here. It's pretty large, and I did get the gnome, which I have in the other room. I could put him together on a separate video, but it comes with all these little pieces you can make apertures with, and then here are all the layering pieces, and then I have the big die in the other room. So lots of things you could do. You could use these, of course, as little tags as well, just for other projects and so forth. They have all the stitching detail, which is nice. All right, so that's that. But let's take a look at this one. So it's what I like about this one. I'm not big on really fiddly pieces. I like the idea of them, but I don't know. It's just me. I just feel like I'm not good at doing all the parts. This one's really simple. So the leaf dies just have the two pieces, okay? So I did like a lighter green and a darker green. And then the flower itself has in two sections. So you've got the main backing die. You've got the layering piece. That has a hole in the middle there. And then you have the topmost piece. And then for the center, you just have two, that layer. So I'm going to pop these out. So it should be very easy to construct, which I really like. I like it when things just aren't taking forever, because I just don't have forever. At least not here on Earth. I have forever in heaven, but not to do my dad cuts. All right, so as you can see, that will line up. So you just pick a prominent spot that you know will fit, and then you can glue those together like that. And then we've got the leaves. This reminds me of like an Altenew. It's a lot like the brushstrokes line that Sizzix has put out. I have several of those. That kind of layer, the idea there. All right, so this is going to go on like this. I think. Let's see. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. This one lines up like that. Okay. And in the end, if this is messed up, it's going to be underneath the flower anyway, so you can cut a couple of those if you want more. And then this bottom piece is solid, so that's your shadow piece. And then the next one, which is like a cream in this one, is the next one up. Got these little bits still in here. Find kind of the weirdest little spot to line them up here, which I think is over here. So that goes on exactly like that. And then this piece, I had some watercolor paper that I had sprayed with some distress ink. And so, so it's a little thicker, but so it took me a few swipes to get through to cut well, but so you can see that. So it's nice. It's got all the speckled stuff. So now this has that super loop there. So I think that one's going to be, well, let me glue these down. I think I'll find it easier once I am able to not shift this. So I'm just gonna go like this, and then you can make a couple of these and pop one up on foam and kind of layer them that way. All right, it's gonna go like that. Nice thing about wet glues, you can kind of shift it a little bit. Okay. And you could stop there if you wanted to, right? You can have your middle piece. Let's do our middle piece next. You could cut this out of sticker paper or double-sided tape. Again, looking for that divot. Okay. And then, it's stuck to my thumb. And then for the middle, use this little skinny hook thing. Oh, let's see. Where do we think he's gonna go? I think maybe like that. Once you find it, hold it in such a way that you can easily find it again. Oops. Which of course I just didn't follow my own advice, but there we go. Like that. And then we've got our middle piece. Leaf, which I would have liked to have done in some distress colors. I think would have been nicer, but just trying it out for the first time here. And of course you can mix and match your other dyes to complement this one. And then it goes on like that. Let's see if I have a 4-ish A2 size card. Of course the colors aren't going to match here, but you get the idea of size-wise. So it kind of is a nice focal point. Again, you can pop that up on foam and have that be a nice little card, put a nice little sentiment, and you're done. So very easy peasy. So I like that. That's the Tim Holtz Sizzix Blossom. And check out links below. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you could hit the like and subscribe, that would be really great and a great support. It would tell YouTube that, hey, let's keep her videos going. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.